Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Unwrapped. I'm Alan, and today we're diving into the world of AI writing assistants with Copy.ai. It's a content creation tool that helps you overcome writer's block and generate high-quality copy in minutes. If you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or anyone who struggles with creating compelling content, Copy.ai might be a game changer. Let's have a look at the features. AI-powered templates. Copy.ai offers a vast library of 70 templates categorized by content type. Whether you need social media captions, blog intros, product descriptions, website copy, or even creative formats like song lyrics or sales scripts, Copy.ai has you covered. Simply choose a template, provide some details about your brand or product, and voila! Copy.ai generates several unique copy suggestions to get you started. You can even customize the tone and style of your content, making it perfect for your specific audience. The second feature allows you to craft engaging headlines and blog intros that grab attention. Fast impressions matter, especially with online content. Copy.ai's headline and intro generator helps you craft captivating titles and introductions that go beyond just keywords. It uses AI to understand audience intent and suggest headlines that are not only informative, but also emotionally resonant and likely to grab your audience's attention and keep them reading. Feature number 3 allows you to overcome language barriers with multilingual support. Copy.ai isn't just for English speakers. It offers multilingual support for over 25 languages, allowing you to generate content for a global audience. This can be incredibly valuable for expanding your reach and catering to diverse markets. Now let's move on to the pros and cons of Copy.ai. First, the pros. It's super easy to use. Even beginners with no prior writing experience can create compelling content using Copy.ai's intuitive interface and clear instructions. It has a wide variety of content creation templates. With over 70 templates covering various content types, Copy.ai caters to a wide range of needs. AI-powered content generation, multilingual support. Expand your reach and cater to a global audience with content creation in over 25 languages. Freemium model. Copy.ai offers a free plan that lets you experiment with the tool and see if it's a good fit for you. Cons. AI-generated content might require editing. While Copy.ai's suggestions are generally good, they might require some editing to achieve a perfectly polished and personalized voice for your brand. Free plan limitations. The free plan has limitations on the number of words you can generate per session and the features available. Learning curve for advanced features. While basic functionalities are straightforward, some awkward features like workflow management might require a bit of exploration to fully utilize. Now let's move on to the pricing. Copy.ai offers a tiered pricing structure to cater to different user needs. Free. This is ideal for individuals just starting with AI-powered solutions. It includes 2,000 words in chat, 200 bonus credits, and allows you to experiment with the tool risk-free. Pro, $36 a month. It's perfect for entrepreneurs or small teams looking to maximize their content output. It offers 5 seats, unlimited words in chat, and 500 workflow credits per month. This plan allows for more collaboration and project management within a team. Team, $186 a month. Designed for growing teams integrating AI into their daily routines. It includes 20 seats, unlimited words in chat, and a whopping 3,000 workflow credits per month, allowing for efficient content creation across a larger team. If you're tired of staring at a blank page and struggling to come up with creative content, Copy.ai is definitely worth a try. The free plan allows you to experiment with the tool and see its potential. For entrepreneurs, marketers, bloggers, and anyone who wants to streamline the content creation process, Copy.ai can be a valuable asset. However, if you need complete creative control over your content or require highly technical writing, Copy.ai might not be the ultimate solution. Head over to the link in the description below to explore Copy.ai for yourself. Unleash your inner writer and see how AI can help you create amazing content that gets results. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you create and if Copy.ai helps you overcome writer's block. Thanks for watching this review of Copy.ai. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews that help you unlock your creative potential. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find Copy.ai useful. Until next time, happy creating!